What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Cari Beats back with another POV, as you can see. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I always start them off like this because I be doing these genuinely and just like, you know what I'm saying, off the dome. And right now, y'all know I'm being consistent. This is Vlogmas. Something kind of like a Vlogmas. I'm not saying this. I'm striving for 30 days. You never know. It's a long time from now. But we're consistent so far, man, and I'm going to keep this video rolling. So make sure y'all hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button if you are new, man. Turn on post notification bell so you won't miss another banger from me. And also, man, as y'all can tell by the title, we finna be whipping the whip without whipping a whip. You know what I'm saying? So, long story short, we finna be driving with no hands. You know what I'm saying? As y'all can see, both of my hands are right here. You know what I'm saying? And we're finna be driving with no hands. Don't ask me how we're gonna do it, but we're gonna do it. Obviously, I can't make complete turns with no hands, but hey, I can, you know what I'm saying, switch lanes. So, but we're gonna try our best not to use our hands as much as we can. You know what I'm saying? Most of the time, y'all gonna see my hands right here, or y'all just not gonna see them on the wheel at all. Just like how y'all see right now. I'm gonna make it easy on myself and just, you know, make that turn, but everything else just gonna go, you know, off the dome. See y'all make a turn. I don't even know if I want the windows down tonight. We really ain't going too crazy. We just driving with no hand. But I'll probably do a little pass though. A couple little, you know what I'm saying, make a little noise for y'all boy, man. Wait for that car to go by. Y'all see what's going on, man? We driving in traffic while they get over. I know a lot of y'all probably know this already. But entertaining, man. Who doing POVs with no hands? You know what I'm saying? Then hit it with a downshift. Okay. I should have turned right there. Come on, man. Downshifted with no hands. Cutting up with no hands? That's what y'all want? Y'all want me to cut up or y'all want me to chill, man? Y'all want me to cut up or chill, man? Y'all see what's going on. It take a lot of muscle work, I'm not gonna lie. I was gonna turn down there. I might turn around, I'm not gonna lie. I probably might, I'm turn around. I think it's time for me to put some more antifreeze in my car. There's no way my temperature hand be rising that quick. And then, you know what I'm saying, turn around and drop. Cutting up, man. Look, no hand, man. Hey, you know what I'm saying? We get straight to it. Gotta get a little thumbnail. You know what I'm saying? Gotta get a little thumbnail. Y'all gonna see all that, bro. Raw and uncut. But they is flying. Y'all see what's going on. Y'all see what's going on, man. Y'all think this dangerous? Not if you ain't going that fast. Play patty cake on that ugly stickle. Boy, I know that messed up the view. Boy, I know that messed up the view bad. Hold on. Alright. Well, I don't know what that was, boy. That was a nice little bump right there. Coming in the curve. Come on, man. Look. In the curve, bro. In the curve, man. I just holding my hands up so y'all can see. In the curve, man. Niggas ain't doing that, B. Niggas ain't doing that, B. This a long curve, man. Look at the wheel, man. Woo! Turn me up. Turn me up, man. I know y'all probably like, man, that ain't nothing, but hey, bro. When you're doing it with one leg, and your hip getting tight, and you going around the curve, holding the gas, hold on, man. Ain't you downshifting? Who you know can hold that bit and hit that bit with no hand, man? Look at that, man. Ooh. Let me get my partner some room. Still in the curve. But that mother work your hip muscle. That muscle so tight right now. That's insane. Ain't, but they picked all that cotton up that fast. Ain't no way, boy, y'all had that many people out there that quick. What? Ain't no way, bro. That bit was full of cotton the other day. Real Mexico lifestyle, man. Real Mexico lifestyle right here, man. Ain't but that car be pulling good when it cold, boy. I'm in street mode, barely pressing the gas. She like that. Yeah, she like that. Y'all don't mind me, bro. I'm just vibing with y'all boys. Really just being, you know what I'm saying? I be myself all the time, but it's just like, I'm just vibing, bro. I'm probably gonna turn around because I don't even want to go back the other way. I'm gonna keep going down a little bit. I ain't gonna give my leg a break, boy. The other one, but that one hurt. Well, it ain't hurt, but it's just tight. Right there in that thyroid. Thyroid ugly. To it, man. Let me give y'all one of those stick'em. Hold on. Stick'em with no hands? Y'all see the hands? Hold on, make sure y'all see them. Alright. Let me give y'all a good one. Now what is it? Stick'em. And we're coming into a curve. Coming in hot. Ugly. Oh, hold on now. Too easy. Oh, don't start that bouncing. Too easy, man. Too easy. Y'all see my hand been together the whole time they ain't there. You know what I'm saying? So I'm making a hard turn, but getting over, you know what I'm saying? Woo, all that. None. Ain't none. You ain't never seen about a downshift. I like a downshift bougie, you know, as I put my hand back, go like that and get another one. Come on, man, taking all these turns, all these little curves, man. No hands, man. And they're crazy because the leg I drive with the same side I drive with my hand, you know what I mean? I see what's going on. I see what's going on, man. I see what's going on, man. Like I said, obviously I gotta turn when I'm making a turn like this. It'll take all day for me to try to use my leg to do that. I'm finna turn around right quick. Finna turn around on that. But y'all want me to do sliding every turn? Sliding every turn with no hand? Let me know. We'll make it happen. I'll get at least 2 turns. I just hit the wheel. I turn the wheel tight, hold on my leg, hit that bit. Nah, I'm just playing. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, man. But y'all comment down below. know what video y'all would like to see, man. Let me know how y'all liking the vlogging so far, bro. I know it's been a minute. I went 3 weeks. I went like almost 3 weeks without posting until vlogging came. I had let y'all know that, you know what I'm saying, before time, so y'all can already know what's up. You know what I'm saying? So, but December is here, you know what I'm saying? And we here. We grinding. We getting to it, man. On the road to 15K. Get your boy to 15K the quick way, man. Come on, man. We at 14.6. Get your boy to 14.9 real quick, man. Get your boy to 14.9 real quick. That's just a couple hundred. Y'all like the video, man. Get the video to 100 likes. That's how I get to 15K quicker. I'm telling y'all, bro. I've been watching. I know how it works. You know what I'm saying? Y'all give me to at least 100 likes every video, bro. For this vlogmas, that I get the views to a certain amount, to a certain amount of people will see it, and them percentages of a certain amount of people will subscribe. It's a percent. I'm not gonna tell y'all the percent, but it's a percent chance or possibility that they'll subscribe and they'll stay and they'll grow, and then we'll get to 15K before you know it. But we only get to 15K with y'all boy help. I'm doing the part by dropping the video. Y'all gotta do the part by, you know what I'm saying, showing love to the video. You know what I'm saying? Nice little turn. Something quick, man. I ain't gonna make the video too long, man. But I just, you know what I'm saying, I'm grinding, getting these videos out, doing all type of off the wall type of ideas, man. So y'all boy, you know what I'm saying? Go on my community tab, comment something. I be posting all the time on there. On my community tab, y'all don't even tap that in for real. Y'all need to tap in with that for real. So. I ain't gonna lie, but you can't do this with lotion on your leg, boy. You gotta be ashy, boy. So if you ain't ashy, boy, I don't know what to tell you. Something slight, man. Something slight, you know what I mean? Nothing too crazy. Coming into a turn, you know what I'm saying? Y'all know y'all see it. When the sign say turn, you know it's a good little curve. The camera ain't gonna do no justice on how it really looking. But hey, come on, man. Oh, man, we on that. We on that. And I'm doing with the right leg. I'm holding it with the right leg and putting my foot on the gas. Come on, man. Same leg, foot on the gas. At the same time, turning. I know y'all probably ain't impressed, but hey, it's something to do, man. Niggas ain't doing it. This different. This how you be a little different, you know what I'm saying? I did one of these videos before. Long time ago, you know what I'm saying? But I ain't had a headset on, I did it. You know what I'm saying? Oh, what it is? New school way. I did it the new school way, you know what I'm saying? Believe it sound crazy. Tweedledoo face up. Try to hold my head still for y'all boy. Oh yeah. Y'all enjoy the sound of Olivia and the impressiveness of me driving with no hands. But yeah, man, that's gonna be a wrap, man, for today's video, man. Just wanna, y'all hear that? I just want to give y'all, boy, you know what I'm saying? Gotta give y'all that content, man. Gotta keep pushing that content out. Y'all just trust the process, man. All right, my leg tired. I ain't gonna lie for you, my hand. my muscle. Cause you gotta hold it the whole time to keep it, you know what I'm saying, on the roads like them. Thyroid and hip tight, boy. Stick 'em. Boy, that is insane. I see what folks saying now, cause see, I'm so used to it. I just be like, oh, that's my car, how it sound. But bro, like, no lie, like, compared to like cars that just got mid-muffler deletes, resonator deletes, or, you know, not what I got, bro, it's bro, I done heard a car straight pipe, like, no cats, no mids, or resonator, bro. It's loud, it crank up like mine, but it just still don't sound like mine. Like, it's loud and jump, but it just don't, I don't know, bro. And I ain't even trying to be funny or biased or nothing, bro. It's just something about my whip, bro. It's something about Olivia. Ever since I got her, like, even the mid-muffler delete, bro, my car was loud. Folks thought I had straight pipe then, like, well, not like no cats, but, you know what I'm saying, just a resonator and the mids off. Bro, I only did a mid-muffler delete, and that was it. I had a mid-muffler delete for like over a year. Almost like 2 years. Yeah, I had a mid-muffler delete for about 2 years, bro. No cap. And then that thing, you know what I'm saying? My car was loud, crazy loud. Then folks like, dang, boy, your car loud. I used to be cruising with niggas that had straight pipe cars, and like, you know what I'm saying? It wasn't nothing. Like, they just wasn't sounding like, it was like, dang, my car about just as loud as yours, if not louder. Or they be like, dang, boy, your car sound like that. I be like, I don't know. I just know my car. I just know how to play with the RPM. I know how to get it to hit no certain tone, bro. Like, you gotta play with it. See, niggas think you just put it to the flow. You know what I'm saying? Of course you put it to the floor or whatever, but you gotta, if you want that mother to talk, bro, you gotta play with the RPM. Like, you gotta have the RPM, like, you know what I'm saying, on another level, like, insane. But nevertheless, man, just want to show y'all boys and girls, man. Well, I ain't gonna say girls, but usually only dudes that watch. I just want to show y'all boy, man, you know what I'm saying, me driving with no hands, POV, man. Nobody really doing that for real. Y'all run the video, man, creativity, you know what I'm saying, that's the main part of it. That's the best part. So y'all just watch this video, man. Get the video to 100 likes. You know what I'm saying? Get your boy to 15K the quick way. We doing vlogmas right now. Y'all respect the grind, respect the hustle, man. We doing this all day, every day. You know what I'm saying? So make sure y'all boys just do that for me. Get your boy right. But like I said at the end of my video, man, I'm gonna switch it up. Y'all let me know something different I should say. I'm gonna start making it a little shorter. But long story short, man, y'all chase y'all dreams, stick to it, keep trying. Don't give up, keep trying, bro. I had this thought in my head before, man. Chasing your dreams is like playing the game of spin the wheel, bro. The more you spin that wheel, the better chance you got to hit that jackpot or a great prize, bro. You know what I'm saying? The more you spin that wheel, the better chances you got. So the more you try and keep striving for that goal you trying to do, bro, the more chances and better chance you got of achieving it, bro. You ain't gonna hit that jackpot every spin, bro. You're not gonna hit that jackpot. You gonna hit a skip, or you gonna hit a not this time, or you gonna hit a, you know what I'm saying, 1 point, 2 point, 5 point, you know what I'm saying? Like, y'all boy, you feel me? Just keep trying, man. Y'all boys just keep trying, get right to it, you feel me? And for all my religious folk, man, just keep God first, keep him in the midst, stay prayed up, man. Ask for guidance and wisdom, man, and you know what I'm saying? Try to listen to that inner tuition, or that, you know what I'm saying, that voice in your head, you know what I'm saying, that first voice is telling you the right thing. Most of the time, be like, oh, do I really want to do that? We all don't listen to it. I'm not gonna say like we listen to it every time. I'm just saying it's a reminder, just try to. You feel me? But nevertheless, man, I ain't gonna talk your head out too much. Make sure I hit that like button, like I said. More videos to come, man. We are doing vlogmas, man. Y'all boys run it up. But like I say, now the end of my video, man, I'm out of here like yesterday. Peace.